Hi, it's Dan from Farol's. I'm going to talk you through crop changes on the 2630 screen. Currently in a T series machine, but this screen is commonly available in the WTS John Deere combines. So currently it's set to corn, and what we're going to do is set it up for wheat. So this is using 2630 screens. This is a 10-inch screen capable of full documentation, so we just do it slightly different to the 7-inch screen. So if we press the menu button in the bottom right hand corner just here, we need to go into GS3, which is our green star, which is where we're documenting all the field information. So yours may come up like this, it may not, but what we'll be looking for is resources. Come to resources. I've just pre-populated a few of these lines already, but we'll need to fill in client. I've just put in test, but you can put in your client name. Again with farm, I've just put in test, you can put in your farm name. Field, again I've put in test, you can put in your field name. And this is the important bit, we need to tell it that we're doing harvest. So we've got task, so because this screen is utilising different machines as well, we choose that we're going to be doing a harvest operation. Crop season 2019, but you can change that as the years go by, etc. Operator, not mandatory, but you can fill it in if needed. So once we have that filled in, that will know where we're combining the crop from. Okay. So then we'll come into document just here, and we'll change our harvest settings. So we'll put in crop type. This is where we choose a crop. So we'll just use winter wheat. So we'll go through this drop down menu. So I've got wheat Euro winter here. Then I've got, we put a brand in there, not mandatory, but you can put it in there as an option. So anything with the stars are mandatory. So variety, today we'll just put in Skyfall. Accept. And then we'll put in here our residue management, if we're chopping and spreading, if we're chopped, spread or windrow. So we'll put windrow in for today. Click accept. So that's gone through. If I come back out of there now by pressing the menu button and into combine, it's now populated with winter wheat. Now for that to adopt those settings, we now need to press the arrow and the dot just here, and press the machine settings just here, and we can accept these through. The machine's not running at the moment, but we'd accept those through. And with the machine running, drum and concave in gear, engine running flat out, click accept, and that will adopt those settings, and you will quickly see all these numbers change to the blue numbers are the desired speeds or clearances, and the blacks are currently the actuals.